Okay, I'm going to try and do this with no voice. Today's review is going to be on this one. This is KEL in Venice Blonde by JBExtensions, and I just pulled her out, put her on my head, and I just gave her like a quick brush with the brush that you will get from them, just to break up the fibers, wake them up, and just wake her up. She's so pretty. I am so glad I got this color. I was talking to my friend Teresa, and she was saying that she thought I would like this color, and she's right. It's absolutely gorgeous. So let's take a look at KEL from all sides before we get into any more information. So here's the front, left side, back, right side, and front. So KEL is 22 inches long, pre-cut Snowflake Lace, Glueless wigs, okay? So it does have the Permatease. There's not a lot though, you guys. Like, it's amazing that you just want that little bit, because normally I have to turn my wigs upside down and give them the hairdryer trick. This, you just have to run your fingers in there just a little bit. There's not a whole lot, I promise, okay? And then it's got the Snowflake Lace front. So take a look at this hairline. Okay, so there's mine. And there we go. So I will probably go through here and trim this lace front down, just because it's a little thicker for me. But the coloring on this is beautiful, you guys. It's a very neutral, I'm going to say very neutral to cool kind of blonde, and various shades in here. She's stunning. She is 22 inches in length, made of very high quality synthetic fibers, so it can definitely handle heat. So if you wanted to curl KEL, you absolutely can, and you can maintain your ends with heat and water. Always do a test strand. I will stress that over and over and over. Make sure I'm not losing my eyelash. Now this comes in, I think, a couple sizes. I normally do the small, medium, but I wanted to try a medium large just to see the difference, because I like to be able to keep you guys informed. She's open wefted. There is no combs. You do have the felt tab, or the felt bendy, the bendy felt ear tab with the metal stay, and your fibers are spliced onto there. You have that little area here where it's really thin, you guys, really thin, with that little bit of Permatease in it. And then you have that mono lace front, which gives it that realistic believability in the front, okay? And again, she's open wefted. She's got the extended felt nape, and my favorite Velcro adjuster tabs, which I'm probably gonna have to use on this to make it fit me a little bit snugger, but definitely lots of room in here. So if you are large head friendly, you're going to be okay with this one. Now, I almost think I like the fit of this one better on me because I'm 22 inches. I do have, like I said, the small medium, and I find that it can put a little bit more pressure right here with the lace front, with the small medium, whereas this just really just fits very comfortable. It's not tight, it just feels good. So that's just my opinion on this. Okay, head size suitable for 22 to 23.5 inches. That's what I was looking for. So she fits amazing. We're going to go outside and we're going to take a look at what she looks like outside in, it's kind of a gloomy day. We're getting rain/snow here today. So, but again, you guys, she's so pretty. So let's go outside, take a look at her in daylight. Okay, it looks like the rain and snow has stopped. We actually have some sunshine. So this is KEL Venice Blonde in the shade. And then here's her coloring in the sunshine. There's her hairline. She's absolutely Beautiful.